Welcome to our 12 days of Christmas in the kitchen. Come with me as I share how we celebrate the 12 days of Christmas in our family. Each day I'll be sharing a recipe. Some are part of our yearly traditions and some are brand new to us this year. I am so excited to bring you along and share each one. For day 10, 10 Lords a-Leaping, I'm baking maple syrup gingerbread cookies. Warm spices and a touch of maple sweetness makes these cookies rich and comforting. The scent alone feels like Christmas morning. These are perfect for decorating, gifting, or enjoying with a hot drink by the window. Today I'm working on a new recipe. It's a maple syrup gingerbread cookie. Now, gingerbread cookies usually call for molasses, but I am going to be replacing the molasses in these gingerbread cookies with maple syrup. This recipe will be at the end of the video, so if you want to screenshot it, you can go ahead and do that. But the rest of the ingredients are very typical of a gingerbread cookie. We're going to be using flour, sugar, salt, baking soda, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, salt, and 1 egg. We're going to cream that all together, chill our cookie dough in the fridge for a while, and then we're going to cut them out. So let's get it done. I'm also replacing the brown sugar in this recipe with granulated sugar. Alright, so this is about done. Because I didn't use brown sugar and because I didn't use molasses, my dough looks a lot lighter, but the flavor is still there and it's still gonna be delicious. This is what my cookie dough looks like. I'm just going to press this into a disc shape, get it in the refrigerator, and then I will shape it in a little bit. So now we're going to cut out the gingerbread people. We have gingerbread boys and some gingerbread girls here. We're gonna cut these out and get them in the oven. Our first tray is done and ready for the oven.
And since it's brown, it looks like they're relaxing on the beach.
Our next tray is ready for the oven. Okay, so some of our cookies are already out of the oven and some of them are still waiting to go in. So I'm going to make a quick glaze that we will use to decorate these cookies. I'm simply going to use some powdered sugar, and you can put milk with this or you can put water. I'm just going to use water, and even a little vanilla to give it some flavor. So I'm gonna make 2 little piping bags so that we can decorate these cookies.
Everyone's gonna have their own unique design.
Here are our completed gingerbread people. We have some gingerbread boys, some gingerbread girls, some gingerbread men, and some gingerbread women. All looking stylish and ready for the Christmas party. We have so many more to decorate, but this is just one of the trays that we got done. I will be sure to list all the recipes in the description box down below. I will include links to any recipes that are not my own. Some of these recipes are my own and are available in my cookbook. I will leave a link to that cookbook, which is available on Amazon, in the description box below. I will also leave the recipe here on the screen for you so that you can screenshot the video and save the recipe. Thanks so much for spending this time with me in my kitchen each day. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.